Hi guys, today's video, we're going to check out the 5 best tandem kayak on the market. This list was made based on our personal views and are listed based on rating, review, orders, price, quality, durability, and more. To see prices and get more info about the products shown, be sure to check out the description below. One last thing before we dive in, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell to get the latest product reviews video from the channel. Okay, so let's get started with today's video. Number 5. Ocean Tandem Kayak. This Ocean Kayak Malibu 2 Tandem Sit-on-Top recreational kayak is ideal for the whole family or a group of friends. Sit-on-top kayaks offer versatility for any paddling location. Their open hull design provides the ability to easily move around in the kayak. Spray skirt provides additional flotation and protection from the water, and the center profile hull provides enhanced tracking and speed. The natural agility system is great for fishing with features like the hook management system, rod holder, and stern and bow padded fishing seats. This Ocean Kayak Malibu 2 Tandem Sit-on-Top recreational kayak includes a removable skig that provides directional stability while paddling and rudder system in case you need to steer more in a straight line. This kayak also has a padded seat with backrest, adjustable foot pegs, and adjustable thigh braces. This innovative design provides a comfortable fit for paddlers of almost any size. Adjustable on the fly, you can set the seat at a height that is the most comfortable for you. The Vantage seating system also provides added stability, allowing you to turn your focus to paddling instead of maintaining your balance. The Malibu 2 has a 250 pounds capacity, features a wide beam and ample storage. Number 4. Pelican Tandem Kayak. This Pelican Tandem Kayak 130X is an ideal boat for beginners and budget-conscious paddlers. It has a large cockpit with multiple storage hatches for maximum gear storage. The large storage area in the front and rear provide the ability to carry a large amount of gear. To add comfort to your adventure, the 130X has a lightweight stern tank well, plus comfortable seating. The flat hull profile and shallow draft combine to make this kayak a perfect kayak for rivers, lakes, and ponds. The Pelican River Gorge 130X is a sit-on-top kayak that offers a durable, tough and lightweight construction that makes it easy to carry and store. It is made from a rugged polyethylene for enhanced durability, ensuring it lasts for years to come. A self-bailing drain system and splash skirt help you stay dry and comfortable. The cockpit opens easily and offers enough space to get in and out of the kayak easily. The adjustable padded seats provide comfort and support. The kayak offers storage space that can hold your essential accessories. The design allows for maximum space inside the kayak. It is compatible with many accessories, including front and rear fishing rod holder, adjustable paddle, and paddle leash. It comes with a paddle or in a back deck. The Pelican River Gorge 130 Sit-on-Top Kayak is a versatile option that makes a great choice for beginners and experts alike. Number 3. Perception Tandem Kayak. The Perception Tandem Rambler stand-up paddleboard comfortably seats 2 paddlers for a great time on the water. Designed for use with a kayak paddle, it comes with a removable center fin for added stability. The Perception Tandem Rambler 2-person kayak has a 13.6 long body and is constructed from rugged EVA foam and high-density polyethylene. It also comes with 2 paddle keepers and flush-mounted 2-speed rudder that is designed to track straight. The Perception Tandem Rambler kayak has an open cockpit which allows for easy access and a big open area for gear. It also features a padded seat, backrest and carry handles. It has a large open cockpit that features a bench seat with additional storage beneath, along with 2 molded and drink holders and large thigh pads for added comfort. The Rambler also features a large, removable multi-position deck hatch that provides convenient access and is great for stashing gear while you're paddling. The kayak features 2 molded and handles that facilitate easy carrying, and has 2 adjustable tracking fins for precise, efficient tracking. This sit-on-top kayak is rated for up to 450 lbs of user weight, and is fitted with an adjustable, multi-position seat for added comfort. Number 2. Lifetime Tandem Kayak. The Lifetime Manta Tandem Kayak sit-on-top kayak with backrests is a solid, dependable boat that's perfect for steady, comfortable floating down your favorite river. The boat's 16-gauge polyethylene hull is built to last, and its high performance, closed cell foam keeps you securely in place, so you'll never need to worry about it tipping over. You'll appreciate the rest stops along the way thanks to the built-in backrests in the 2-person kayak, providing a comfortable, stable place to stretch out in between dips in the water. The boat offers a sizable amount of room for gear, so you'll have everything you need on hand. The kayak comes with a deluxe, adjustable seat, and it features eyelets for mounting a paddle holder, built for 2-person fun. The Lifetime Manta Tandem Sit-on-Top Kayak with backrests makes a great investment in your time with your kids, taking you on the adventures you'll always remember. It's backed by Lifetime's 5-year warranty, so you can trust you're getting a high-quality product. Number 1. Driftsun Tandem Kayak. The Driftsun Voyager Tandem Inflatable Kayak makes it the ideal option for family and friends to paddle or even solo paddlers to take out on the water in a two-person kayak without having to carry extra kayaks. This kayak is suitable for 1,200 pounds of weight and has a maximum weight capacity of 650 pounds in each seat, making it incredibly stable and virtually impossible to tip over. Two people can sit side by side in each seat. It also has an adjustable paddle roofs, padded seats, and carry handles on the top and bottom. Both seats also feature adjustable footrests that can be lowered or raised through the Velcro on the bottom of the kayak. The kayak comes with high-frequency welded seams and reinforced double-stitch seams that make it extremely durable. The Driftsun Voyager kayak comes with 2 aluminum paddles, double-action hand pump, and carrying bag. It comes complete with 2 high-pressure air chambers, aluminum paddles, padded seats, and a double-action air pump that makes inflating and deflating a breeze. This kayak can quickly be deflated and stowed in a large car trunk or closet, so it is always ready to get out on the water. The high-pressure PVC material makes it very durable and keeps it from puncturing while you're out on the water. Thanks for watching this video. Subscribe this channel to get the latest product reviews video from the channel.